How's everyone doing? So I'm out here in Loveland, Colorado at MotoAdventure Kawasaki Beta dealer, and I just picked up my new bike as I was teasing you guys about. So here it is. So 125 RRS. So I will obviously be bringing you lots of riding videos in my experience with the 125 RRS and how it handles as a dual sport, as a dirt bike on like trails and single track and all that good stuff, and just kind of me putting parts on and seeing just how it works in general. It should be a good time, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with dealing with Moto Adventures up here in Loveland. Was pretty easy and straightforward. I just gave them a call. I noticed on their website they had a 125 and I picked it up. So it's been pretty easy going. I dealt with Randy, he's awesome, or you can deal with Jeremy or Bruce or whoever here. I mean, there's a lot of good people and they will take care of you. So check out Loveland, Colorado, Moto Adventures up here. They sell Kawasaki's and Betas, and they have quite a few Betas on the showroom floor, and a bunch of Kawasaki's and street bikes and all that good stuff, side-by-sides, whatever you need, they have it. So check them out. Have a good one. Bye.